How I made $100,000 in 3 days selling this piece of plastic. I was just scrolling TikTok until I stumbled upon something very interesting.
Okay, so does anybody else like to put their glasses on top of their head because it's just the way it looks? You know, the way it pushes your hair back. And I have been trying to find something that does that same effect without having to wear glasses. This. Okay, look. It's a headband. That does that. That fucking does that!
600,000 likes, 100,000 bookmarks. Boys, when I tell you, my ballsack started tingling like it just got zapped by Zeus himself. Okay, a viral video and a viral product, but what if it costs too much? Can I even ship it from China? What if it's like $10 for one piece of plastic? What if it's like 99 cents? I quickly made a store using AliExpress images, imported some of the reviews from AliExpress, and then I was basically done, ready to launch. I took the viral video I showed from before and launched them on TikTok ads. Alright, let's go over why it worked. Reason number 1, mega viral. Now, having a bunch of views is great, but if it doesn't have that many likes or bookmarks, that's really bad. It might be viral for the wrong reason. You want a video with, say, 1 million views and a 1% bookmark ratio. So if it has 1 million views, you want at least 100,000 bookmarks. That shows that the viewer has buyer intent. Number 2, low COGS. What are COGS? COGS are cost of goods. Now, cost of goods is how much a product cost for me to ship from China to my consumer. For one hairband, it costs $1 plus $5 for shipping. What we did is made it so you have to buy 2 hairbands, so we sold them as a pack, so 2 hairbands plus shipping, which came out to about $7, sold it for $20. Now that's really good margins for at least TikTok. Now, what's high perceived value? The product might be $1, and it looks like a cheap piece of plastic, but to the consumer it looks like something that's worth $15, $20, $25. This is very important. Reason number 3, I was first to market, meaning I was the first one to run ads to this product. And if you have all 3 of these benchmarks, you're probably going to print hundreds of thousands of dollars of dropshipping. If you want a more in-depth video showing exactly how to make the store, how to make the ads, and basically have your hand held on how to do it yourself, then hit the first link in my description for a full program. It costs less than a hoodie.